Gloss University is back on the road. This time, we're heading west for a one-day course at our friend Robby Layton's at Layton Auto Body in Ephraim, Utah. This class is going to be geared towards car enthusiasts and beginner detailers. If you are looking to get into auto detailing or simply just upkeep your vehicle, this is a perfect one-day course for you to come and learn about car care. Topics such as basic car wash practices, proper chemical dilutions, cleaning rims, cleaning tires, alongside basic polishing steps and protection steps to keep your vehicles looking new. For more information, please click the link below, and we look forward to seeing you guys at the end of the month out west at Robby Layton's.